Hello, seventh graders. I'm going to take a few moments to show you how to download a picture from our Canvas site and to edit it in Canvas so that you can make your art memes today. Step number 1 is to download 2 pictures that are on our Canvas page. I decided on this lady here, and to download we right-click or whatever way you need to on your device. For me, I'm going to right-click, save image as, put it in a folder that I will remember where to find it. I'll put it in downloads, save. Now my laptop has been doing this thing where it says, can't be downloaded securely. If that's happening to you, push this little up arrow and keep, and it will download it for you. Once it's downloaded, you're going to come to Pixlr. You are going to open image and find your photo in your files. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to be adding text today to create a meme. Please watch my mouse so you know where to click to add text. I'm going to click over here to the plus sign, click, and I would like to add text, click. Now, we can move this text box around, and you can even see at the top I have different formatting options. I am going to type out what my words are going to be first, and then I'm going to mess around with the size and the placement. So give me one moment to type. Okay, so that's my first thing, and I want there to be 2 lines of text. Since I want 2 lines of text, I'm going to do that same process where I click, add text, because I want another text down here. Notice that it's creating new layers for every time we click on a text layer. Okay. So I have my two things that I want, my 2 lines of text. I'm going to think about the formatting. I want to stretch it to be side to side. Notice that we can click and drag to make the text box larger. I want this to be easily read, so I'm going to make it larger as well because right now it feels a little small. I'm going to bump up the size to, ooh, that's too big. Now, everybody, this is going to be different depending on your picture that you choose. So you might want to do a different size than me. You might want to go smaller or bigger. Find what fits your image. Yeah, I'm thinking just about there. Something that you can play around with is this fill option. Sometimes memes will have like a white background to theirs. We can also play around with the style. So if you want a background color to yours, we come to Style, go to Background, select your background color. Now I need to change my text color to black because I don't want white text with a white background. But you can start to see how we are going to be creating text layers. Let me do one edit. Okay. And I'm also going to add a white background to this bottom layer by going to Style, Background, Color, turn it to white. Okay. And then I got to change my text color to white or to black because I don't want white on white for my colors. Okay. Boom. When the teacher says you can pick your own partners and your best friend is in that class. I think that's a pretty quality meme. So please remember that memes are supposed to be funny, so be creative. Once you have your text created, I'm realizing my sizes don't match. See, we got to edit on the fly. Even teachers make mistakes sometimes. I'm going to finish this. Oh, see, but now it's too big. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Okay, I'm going to stop messing around with this so you can get started. Anyway, once you have your meme created and you would like to save, if you feel finished with it, you'll come over to File, Save. If you're finished, please click on JPEG. If you're not finished and like to come back to this tomorrow, please save it as a PDX. And please give it a title. I'm going to call it Meme 1 because you'll be making 2 memes and I'll be saving it as a JPEG download. Alrighty, everybody, please watch this video again if you need to see another step, or if I went too fast and you need to hear it again, do watch this video again. And you have a great day.